Tonight, teacher, I'm going to talk about the past. Mary left home when she was 18. She didn't want to go to university, so she went to work in a bookshop in the London. One day, a customer came to the store. His name was Nicholas, and he was tall and handsome. He liked Mary and asked her out. They went out to dinner and had a nice time. Nicholas told Mary that he worked downtown in a bookstore. Mary liked Nicholas, too. After dinner, they kissed in front of the door. She smiled and said that she hoped she would see him again. Nobody is sure how it happened, but Mary and Nicholas fell hopelessly in love and ended up getting married. They moved into a small flat together and paid incredible high rent price for a few years, until Mary announced that she was pregnant. Nicholas asked for a loan from the bank so they could buy a nicer flat in a friendlier neighborhood outside Canada. Mary quit her job, and a few months later she had her baby. They named the baby Sophia. For a while they were very happy. To be continued. Thank you, teacher, very much.